In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Voiding an invoice is really helpful when you've created an invoice by mistake, or you need to cancel it for record-keeping purposes but still want a clear audit trail in your books. Unlike deleting, voiding keeps a record of the invoice, but it changes the amount to zero, so it no longer affects your financial reports. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the left-hand navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Sales. This is where QuickBooks groups everything related to customers, invoices, and payments. Click on Sales, and from the options that appear, choose Invoices. This will open a full list of all the invoices you've created in your company file. Take a moment to locate the specific invoice you want to void. You can scroll through the list or use the search and filter options at the top if you have a lot of transactions. It's important to double-check that you're selecting the correct invoice, since voiding will adjust your books and can't be easily reversed without recreating the invoice. Once you've found the right invoice on the list, look over to the Action column on the right-hand side of that row. In this column, you'll see a small drop-down arrow or menu button. Click on that drop-down to reveal more options related to that particular invoice. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Void. This tells QuickBooks that you want to cancel this invoice while still keeping a record that it once existed. As soon as you choose Void, QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is there to protect you from making accidental changes to your financial data. Review the details one more time, and when you're sure it's the correct invoice, click Yes or Void again to finalize the action. If the invoice you're trying to void has already been paid, the process is slightly different. In that case, click directly on the invoice to open it. Once the invoice is open, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on the More option. From that More menu, select Void. QuickBooks will again ask you to confirm, and once you do, it will void the invoice. After you've completed these steps, the invoice amount will be reduced to zero, and your reports will update accordingly, while still keeping a clear history for your records.